Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create dual portrait fusion with vector mask. Open two different portraits side by side. Place one on top of the other in the layer. Add a vector mask to the top portrait. Select the pen tool and draw along half the face. Softly curve across eyes or mouth line. It will hide one half and reveal the other face. Use the direct selection tool for adjustment, either slightly or smoother blending. Now match tones using color balance and add a gradient lighting on the both sides. Now use blue